Looking to earn money as an affiliate marketer, consider Pinterest, a social media platform with 518 million monthly users and a reach that covers everyone from gens to high-income household. With a good eye, creativity, and some interesting products to share, you can leverage Pinterest to drive affiliate sale ahead. Learn to put your Pinterest account to work and generate passive income on the platform. I'm going to talk about 5 key things you need to do and make money with your phone on Pinterest. Here is an overview of what I will be talking about today. So hit that like button and subscribe because I have cool stuff for you. Number one on my list is why Pinterest. So why should you do affiliate marketing on Pinterest? If you have ever scrolled through Pinterest looking for inspiration only to end up buying something amazing, that is the power of Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So in a nutshell, Pinterest is a visual discovery platform where people browse image to find ideas and inspiration. But it's more than just pretty pictures. Millions of users actively search for products on Pinterest, making it a gold mine for affiliate marketers. There are a lot of benefits you can get on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. Pinterest has huge and engaged audience. You can actually reach a massive user base actively looking for a new product and idea. It's a high visual platform that will give you the chance to showcase your product to an appealing way that grabs attention and drive clicks. Content on Pinterest is evergreen. Pin can stay visible for months or even years, generating consistent traffic. Number two on my list is choosing a niche. Not all niches are created equal on Pinterest. Choosing the right one is key to affiliate marketing success. Targeting a specific niche allows you to create content relevant to a defined audience, increasing engagement and conversion. I will give you 3 tips for finding a profitable niche. Number one is interest and expertise. Consider what you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. You will be more motivated to create high quality content on it. Number two is Pinterest research. Look for popular niches with a strong presence on Pinterest. Use the search bar and browse trending topic on Pinterest. Number three is affiliate product potential. Ensure your niche has products with affiliate program you can promote. Research what products people in your niche are looking for. Number three in my list is finding products to promote. Now that you have your niche, it's time to find fantastic products to promote. There are several ways to discover affiliate products that resonate with your audience and niche. Join platforms like Expertner or Seller, which connect you with numerous merchants and their affiliate programs. Many brands have their own affiliate program. Research companies directly related to your niche and see if they offer one. Always prioritize products relevant to your choosing niche. This ensures your audience is genuinely interested in what you are promoting. Number four on my list is making professional account. First impression matters. Let's create a professional Pinterest account that grabs attention and builds trust. A polished Pinterest account is essential for affiliate marketing success. Here's how to optimize your profile. Number one is username. Choose a clear username that reflects your niche or brand. Number two is your bio. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your niche and what you offer. Number three is bold. Design high quality boards targeting your ideal audience. Use relevant keyword in boards, title, and descriptions. Number five in my list is creating affiliate content. You have got your niche and products. Now let's create pins that convert viewers into clicks and sales. Visual appeal. Use high quality, eye catching image that grabs attention and accurately represents the product you are promoting. Description. Write clear, concise description with relevant keyword to improve search ranking. Call to action. Tell your viewers what to do next. Include strong call to action that directs them to your affiliate link. Bonus tips. Briefly touch on Pinterest SEO best practices. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your pin and board description.